nasa ano ka lang. Mukhang nasa China ka lang. Na fake news kami sa Amplified Vlog. I'm so excited!
Guys, welcome or welcome back on my channel. I'm Brian from the Philippines but currently living and working in Switzerland. But for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sydney. So it's our day 0 here at Sydney. It's around 8 a.m. in the morning. And hinihintay pa rin namin si Kat. So she flew from the Philippines and magkikita lang kami dito. So kaming ni Mean ay galing sa New Zealand. So from our previous vlog. For today, ito lang yung maaraw na araw actually. Yung iba ay sobrang maulan na. So we decided to pumunta ng Bondi Beach. So we'll be going to Bondi Beach and probably do some inom mamaya, welcome drink, and of course I think it's their first time to do a hostel, to check in a hostel. So we book three bunk beds. Tapos, may dalawang parang strangers dun sa room namin. So, this will be exciting. This is some of their first time. And first time din naming, actually kasama si Kat. Kasi nagtula na kami ni Me, pero hindi nakasama si Kat. So, let's see kung ano mangyayari for today's video. Samahan niyo kami, guys. Airport series siya ni Jo. Hi. Hi, kamusta Jo?
Okay naman, may
Jo,
stress ko
kamusta? Hi. Okay, thank you. Beso. Ay, wawa. Yeah, the pocket tree. Parang haggard tayo dito sa mukhang to. Hi guys, so ito yung room namin. So actually we book a hostel. So it's their first time to do a hostel. Ano masasabi mo sa hostel natin?
I'm so excited!
Dahil sa tingin
Because
mo?
there are 2 boys in here.
Yeah.
So we're just figuring it out kung sino yung bonded sa kanila.
Pero sana mag-iba-iba ng roommate, no?
Para
Kung di, kung
hindi,
tsaka.
kung tsaka.
Pero tour mo naman kami.
So, eto po yung room namin. Merong 2 bunk beds, tapos merong single bed. So, in the end, ako yung nakakuha ng single bed na walang curtains. Pero yung dalawa, meron silang curtain. So, kung gusto mong
Yeah.
pwede kang magtago.
Actually, pwede sila magtabi kung gusto nyo magtabi. Pero mukhang pwede kaya mo naman dito. Nabook pala namin to. So malapit talaga siya sa may Sydney Central Station. And nabook namin to mga around 1,800 per day. So actually, mura na yon. At saka palagi naman kaming wala feeling. Let's try na mag-explore. So for now, kakain muna kami sa may bandang Chinatown. Yun yung recommended ni Kuya na Filipino din. So, medyo naghahang lang kami ngayon. Kasi medyo... So, yun lang. Let's see kung anong ma-achieve namin for today. So, let's go! So, hi guys. So, dito kami bumili sa may Yuki's bar. And at last, natuloy ang aming drawing.
Yan! So amazing! We're finally here. Natuloy din po. At si Miss Katrina David ang aming latest guest.
Ano nararamdaman mo, Beth?
Happy. Happy.
Baka naman di happy.
So, iniisip ko yung gutom na ako eh. Tapos na-delay pa yung flight ko. Yung asawa ko pa kawawa naman. Charis.
So guys, these are our orders. So pork katsu, tuna, salmon, and then chicken karaage plus rice. So ranging siya from 500 to 600 pesos per meal. Let's eat. Bukas kayo ni Katrina. Okay. So guys, ito yung aming in-order. Honeycomb, pistache, and vanilla. So how much on 10? So 600 pesos. Ano? 300 pesos.
370.
37 pa pala ito?
Mahal dito.
Sarap?
Yeah, it's good. But I think this is too sweet for me. The vanilla is good.
I prefer the honeycomb. You prefer? Isa pala natitikman mo eh.
Yeah, this one pa lang. That.
Wow, English era po kaming vlogger dito.
Parang ayoko na dito. How about the pistachio?
Hi! So, we're here on the Chinatown or wherever anong lahi to. Pero more of parang ano siya, food court na maraming stalls na representing different nationalities. So, we ate Japanese food a while ago. So, ngayon pabalik kaming hostel. Naglalakad kami sa street. I don't know what's the name of the street, but we're looking for a convenience store where we can buy water. Yung
What's
next.
Anong impression niya? Anong impression niya sa lugar?
Sa lugar, mukhang nasa ano ka lang.
Okay, nasa China ka.
Mukhang nasa China ka lang. Na medyo malamig ng konti. But, nothing special. Oh, ikot mo yan para makita nila yung place. Ikaw naman. Di ba?
Inutusan pa ako.
Told you so.
So guys, kung makita nyo, parang ang daming mga Chekwa dito. So, sa Chinatown naman to. Pero, very good yung weather ngayon, no? Tignan na lang natin sa mga susunod na araw. Tapos yan, ito yung pinakamaganda kong friend. Pangalawa ito. Ayan, so ganyan siya. Hi guys, so pupunta kami ngayon sa may Bondi Beach. Pero I'll be giving some fun facts about Bondi Beach, no? Para makikinig na din ng dalawang to. Kasi walang alam. So Bondi Beach, so Bondi comes from its, yung name niya galing doon sa water splashing over rocks. At saka noise of water, no? So yun yung name niya. And then, kung meron tayong Siargao sa Philippines, at meron namang ang Australian na Bondi Beach, which is very famous for their surfing, kasi may mga waves dito. Tapos, meron din ditong series noon na Bondi Rescue. Parang napanood ko to, pero parang hindi. Tapos, meron din ditong icebergs pool na very sikat. So, I think 9 Australian dollar pwede ka mag-swimming doon. Actually, yung tubig niya, yung tubig ng dagat, pumapagaspas doon sa loob ng pool. So, kaya siya tinawag na icebergs pool. Tapos, very artsy and maganda din yung vibe dito. So, sikat to sa mga brunch, scenic coastal walk. Ayan. And then, although hindi siya UNESCO heritage, ano naman siya, parang Australian heritage siya. So, ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ayan po si Mea, taga dito yan. Tapos, ayan po si Katrina. Taga dito din po ito, no? And then, ayan yung mga makikita mo dito. Ganda siguro if tumira ka dun banda, oh. No? Ano masasabi mo, Be? Be, ano masasabi mo?
It's good, but still, Siargao or Boracay of the Philippines.
Yeah. So,
But may twist.
may twist. Marami mga...
Hindi, no? Maliligo ang malalalamig.
Alam ko marami ka makikita.
Ito.
Asawa na yan, Besh.
Hindi ako.
Ayan nga.
Focus lang tayo sa sa
Goal.
beach.
Focus
Doon
lang
tayo sa beach.
goal.
Huwag tayong magpaka-beach.
Tingnan niyo, ate.
Maganda
Dapat-
yung view. Dito banda.
Maraming view.
Grabe yung waves dito. Talagang pang surfing siya, ayan, no? Di ko sure kung naririnig nyo, pero ganyan yung pang ano nila. Yung pagaspas nung alon. Tapos madami pa din tao kahit medyo pa gabi na. Pero maganda din kasi yung picture niya dito, oh, ayan, no? So, very, very nice yan. Hi everyone, good morning. So it's officially our second day here at Sydney, Australia. Alam mo, nalilito na ako kung Sydney, New Zealand. Ano. So saan ba tayo pupunta?
We're going to the Sydney Opera House and
ano yun? Yung park? Actually, yung ambag ko lang dito ay ganda. Ganda. Wala nang iba.
Hi, May.
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got to me.
So guys, nasa may Clark's Quay na station and pupunta sana kami doon sa Sydney Opera House, pero naisip ko parang mas magandang mag-picture sa malayo doon. So yun yung Macquarie's Point, and then ito yung ginagawa ni Katrina. So kapag ka malamig, binababa niya yung kanyang leggings tapos magpicturan. So anyway, Circular K. So, Circular K pala. Anong Clark Way? Parang si ano yun. Si Superman niya. So, ayan, si Kat. And then si Mean. Hindi ko alam kung anong bridge na to. Pero, yeah, let's check na lang habang hindi pa umuulan. Kasi within an hour daw or so, is uulan na siya. Ang alam ko naman mga 12. So, let's see. Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon naglalakad sa may Royal Botanic Garden. So over 200 years old na siya. So naging garden siya nung 1816. Isipin niyo 200 years, 'di ba? So marami nang nakapunta dito.
Marami akong mag-sex dito.
Grabe ka. Gusto mo isama ko yun sa vlog? Hi guys, so nandito na ako ngayon sa may kami ngayon sa may Mrs. Macquarie's Point. So actually, this was the famous, dito kinunan yung famous na postcard ng Sydney Opera House. So of course, if you wanted to have a picture with the Opera House, you will not go nearby kasi hindi mo makikita or mapipicturean ng buo. But for here, for example, yan. So ayan yung point, pero I think pwede na banda dito. So ayan yung Opera House, and then tignan nyo na lang kung paano kayo magpipicture. So, ayun. So guys, we are here at L'Entrecôte, Boyong. We have the plat du jour, the beef bourguignon avec. So, titignan pa namin kung ano yung pwede namin kainin. So, ayan siya. So, it's French. Hi everyone. So, we are having lunch at the L'Entrecôte Boyong L'Entrecôte. So, we ordered the beef bourguignon. Kala namin steak. Yun pala may sabaw. That's why, kung hindi natin ano kung ano yung doneness, nag-crave pa man din kami ng steak. Tapos wala naman pala. But anyway, para may makain naman kami next time. So, the restaurant is vibing. Plus, umuulan kasi sa labas. Ngayon yung madam.
Hi! So, here we are, social climbing. Na fake news kami sa Bify steak yun. Pero it's okay. We're going to try it, then transfer na lang to another resto for tomorrow to eat steak because I really want to eat Australian beef steak.
For this afternoon, we'll go shopping dun sa outlet store, but I think we will be going first dun sa Opera House.
Ito.
So,
Ano kasi beef
beef burger.
bourguignon. And then we have mashed potato and fries for a side dish. Then, actually this is beef caldereta in the Philippines.
Actually, dapat ang order mo.
Actually, yung order namin dapat steak, but
Nangyari?
then again, we're wrong.
So we're currently at Zini, Contemporary Gelateria.
I ordered long black as usual. Then she ordered mango sorbet. How about you?
The cannoli gelato.
Cannoli gelato. Yeah, we're
Good. It's good. Should try.
Ito white chocolate, sorry guys. Hi guys, so it's currently around 7:30 na. Medyo haggard na kami ngayon. Pero nasa may Hongdae kami na restaurant malapit lang sa tinitirahan namin. So ayan yung order namin. So beef samgyeopsal and then briskets. And then yan yun.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll